Hello, all of you. Just imagine there is a person, and in front of that person, there are five kinds of different doors. Alright, so just imagine that door number one is nothing but your grade A plus, door number two is simply A grade, door number three is B grade, and door number four will be your pass, and door number five will be your fail grade. Alright, so currently your program has five possible answers. Alright, understood. Now imagine this thing. Just imagine your teacher gives you a grade based on your marks. And he or she will tell you, like, if you are having marks 90 and above, then you are having grade as A plus. If you are having marks as 75 and above, in that case, you are having grade A. If you are having 60 and above marks, in that case, you are having B grade. And if you are having 40 and above, then in that case, you are simply pass. And anything below 40, oh, congratulations, you have an appointment with the re-exam and just go to sit and write your re-exam paper. So that's the scenario of failing. So just imagine, like, if you are having currently marks as 85. Okay, so how can Java check all these possibilities? Using five separate if statements? Is it the correct way? Let's do it. Now, let's imagine you are having these conditions. Okay, the simple five-door conditions we have written here inside this if. Okay, we are having three different if. Let's imagine this. Now, just allow me to compile the code and run the code. So here you can see the output. We are getting output as what? Grade A and B. Oh, our student got A and B both grades at the same time. Oh, how lucky is he? No, it is not the part of lucky. But why choose one when I can print everything? This is the Java is saying to us. So to replace multiple ifs with the connected decision paths, we are having something called as else if ladder. And that's where it comes us to the rescue purpose. It tells Java, if this isn't true, check the next condition. If that again don't true, check the next condition and moving forward. Alright. So Java checks the conditions from top to bottom, and here is the most important rule. First true condition wins. It always wins. Whenever we are satisfying with one, or we can say the first uneven condition, at that moment only Java will stop the execution. Let's revisit our previous example. Let's imagine now you are having marks as 85, and currently we have written here this kind of program. If your marks are greater than or equal to 90, in that case A plus grade. If marks are greater than or equal to 75, your grade will be A. But look at here, we have written here else if. Okay, so that is the use of else if. Again, else if your marks are greater than or equal to 60, you are having B grade. Else if you are simply pass, and otherwise you need to visit the exam center and give the exam again because you are failed. So this is the scenario of this else if ladder. Now let's compile the program again and simply run it. Okay, so here you can see that we are having output as grade A. Alright, so you can see here, unlike previous output, we didn't get both grade and B simultaneously. We are only getting here only grade A. Just focus here. So this is how efficiently Java allows us something to use if we have multiple choices of conditions that need to be executed at the same time. So this is how we can smartly avoid this situation. Okay. So now, what if I make here marks as 30? So in that case, tell me in the comment sections please, what do you think? What should be the output for this case? So Java will check from first if, then second else if, then third else if, fourth else if, and then simply it will visit to the else part. because none of these previous conditions or above conditions are getting satisfied. So simply it will print fail as an output. Alright, so this is how Java acts like detective glasses. Okay, it will check one by one conditions, and the moment it will find the answer, it will stop. So Java isn't going to keep asking questions after it already found the answer. It's basically like your friend asking you, do you have rupees 100? If you are saying no, he will again ask you, do you have rupees 50? You will again say no. And the moment he asks you, do you have rupees 5? In that case, you will simply say yes, and that's done. And then only your friend will stop asking you questions. How funny it is. Okay, so Java keeps moving down until it finds the first true condition. You need to remember this one condition. So this is how we can use multiple else if conditions using this else if ladder. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to CodePaath, and share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep coding. Thank you all of you.